Hello, my name is Uday Kiran. I'm running through Django evaluation document. Problem set 1. Write a regex to extract all the numbers with orange color background from the below text in italics. I have implemented my solution in OneSolve folder under the regex file. Upon running the regex file, we get the list of numbers extracted from the error string. So let's move on to the problem set 3. Write and share a small note about your choice of system to schedule periodic tasks. I have written the notes of the answer under notes.md. In what circumstances would you use Flask instead of Django and vice versa? I have implemented the my answer in notes.md under 3solve folder in Flask versus Django section. Problem set 2. A functioning web app with API. Please create a website. So now I'll take a rundown of the website in production as well as the local environment. So first we'll see the production environment, and so it is hosted in AWS EC2 instance, and by I have logged in, so we'll come from the beginning. So I'll sign out, and so the username and password is admin, and for signing up we don't need email, and the authentication system is implemented using Django Auth. So after signing in the home page we get a list of apps that are added by the admin, and a user can also see this. So upon clicking on a particular app, we get link category, and subcategory should also was not selected. So upon choosing a file for uploading, uh, so that Snapchat app screenshot, so I submit it, and then we get a message, you have already submitted a screenshot for this task. So in the completed task section, the app along with the number of points is visible to the user, and 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 in the point section also the points are added to the already available points. So Instagram had 100 and Snapchat had 80, so we have 180 points. And in the profile section we can look at the username and email, and we can update our profile, city, age, bio, and also implemented debugging, and have included the screenshots of how the home page and the admin site looks. The admin side is of the local, this screenshot is of the local page, and in the hosted environment the UI is not rendering properly currently. So upon going to the applications, under the applications, clicking on apps, and upon clicking on add app, we can add a new app called LinkedIn, and we can add the link. Then we can add the category as communication and subcategory as social media, and the number of points as 150. And upon saving it, we need to choose the logo file, and upon saving it, we have the app saved, and we can go check it in the home page now, and we have the app available. So I'll try to sign up as a new user by signing out from this admin site. So after logging out, upon clicking on the sign up page, we get the username, and I'll give some random password. So upon signing up, in the users page, we get the list of apps. So this profile is not admin, this is an user, and for an user we can see that he has no completed task and points. So what he does is now goes to Instagram page and chooses the file and uploads it and submits the screenshot. So once he submits it, it is displayed in the completed task and in the point section. So we'll now speak on the files and the documentation part. So I have described the URL documentation of the API in the README file, and I've also described how I deployed it in the EC2 instance, and there's a changelog file that is for versioning, and so there are scripts here and conf file for configuring, for configuring USDI file. And upon let's check the settings file. So we have JWT implemented for authentication, and Django toolbar also for the for debugging purposes. Thank you. The documentation for the board app is provided in the code itself. So under every class I have defined why the class is needed and what it does for all the models, and in the views I have described in the doc strings of what it gets to the user, or what is the need, or what is it doing. And I have also documented URLs. Thank you.